Hey guys, it's Lexi Andrews, and today I'm gonna be reviewing an everyday home object that I know you guys probably have out there. Now, I haven't seen something this innovating since I bought a two-sided vibrating dildo. I said it, silicone baby, hey. Now, this product I use every day, and it's the Power AirFyer XL, honey. This bad boy, she is versatile. I think she's more versatile than my last boyfriend. Now, what I like about this is it's the XL. Now, I'm not gonna get into all of the technicals about this because it's the XL, bitch. It's large and in charge. Yeah. Now, you can put a lot of stuff in here, or you can put a little bit of something you want to put in here. And it's a little dirty because I just used it, but it's pretty big inside. You could probably fit a whole rotisserie something in there. Maybe put you some corn nuggets. I know you can put some what are those things? Oh, pizza rolls. My husband loves those. Now, pizza rolls are the best thing in here. You just can't go wrong. Now, for everybody else who doesn't like the food to touch, you know what you can put in here, honey? You can put this little divider right here. You just go, whoop. Guess what? Your stuff is separated. Well, I mean, you know, it's separated. Now, today, I'm gonna be cooking you up something that I cook up almost every day. Okay? Now, I'm gonna show you how to cook. Easiest thing in here, and it is tuna. This is the chicken of the sea. Now all I do, honey, I just go, it's ready, and I put it in here just like this. You heard that beep? It's on. Now what I do is I take this little button right here, I think that's how you do it, and we're gonna set it to 5 minutes. Now I'm not gonna make it wait 5 minutes, I'll just speed the video up, but I like to set it as high as it goes. It only goes to 400. And then what I do is I let it go. There you go. And you just let it sit. You know, you go have your glass of wine. And speaking of wine, where is my wine? I got it. Bam! Oh, there she is. So while this is cooking, it's like this. That's the best. Why are you interrupting me? You see I'm trying to talk? Shut up. This thing is rude. It just beeps all the time. Now, this is the best box sangria I have ever had. Okay, let's check on this. So, what we have is the chicken of the sea, right? Good old-fashioned fried chicken. Yes, ma'am. It smells so good. It's good enough. So, look, that's what you gotta do. You just put your can in here and you get fried chicken, honey. Oh, that's so good. Oh my god. I think this is better than that double-sided dildo I bought. It's so good. Oh my god. God, that's awesome. This is the best chicken I ever had. See? It was that easy. Now you see why it's the most versatile thing ever. You put a can of tuna in there and you get fried chicken on it. So, yeah guys, I'm gonna finish my meal because I haven't eaten all day. And I'm probably gonna have like 2 more of these. Oh my god. You know I'm a southern girl. I just can't get enough fried chicken. Anyway, y'all go out and buy one of these. You won't be disappointed. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Maybe like...
We can just put like a last next time, and then like a quick flash, and like, oh, how's been the crew? Like an after video, like that does. Bye, see you next time.
You have to be in the video.
Clean crew, husband, and then...
Probably not gonna wait. good shit. Cause my hands are greasy and I can't. Oh my gosh, look at you. Y'all just come get this from me because I'm gonna keep eating it. So, bam. Ah, they did a good job. Hey, which one of you bitches done drank all my drink? Really? What the fuck? Y'all better bring Lexi another glass because she about to get angry real quick. Let me see what they do to me.